Hello, today I will show you how to access download mode in Samsung Galaxy A9. Let's start by unlocking our phone by pressing the power key, and now let's press and hold the power key again and power off our phone. Let's now wait a few seconds, and now holding the Bixby, the power and the volume up keys all at once together until the Samsung logo appears, we stop holding them, and this will bring us into the recovery mode of the phone. Here, by using the volume up and volume down keys and the power button to accept our choice, we can select reboot to bootloader and press power. And just like this, our phone is in the download mode. Now, if we connect our phone with the USB cable to our PC, we can make it download some new firmware and update the software and everything else. And to turn off and go out of download mode, let's hold the volume down and power key together for about 7 seconds. And now just press and hold the power key and our phone will restart. And just like that, everything is working great. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe.